Apartments.com is a robust platform designed to simplify the process of finding rental properties. Here's a guide on how to effectively use Apartments.com. Search for properties. Start by entering your desired location, budget, and other preferences such as number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and amenities into the search bar. Apply filters. Use filters to narrow down your search results. Filters can include rent range, property type, pet policies, and specific features like in-unit laundry or parking. View listings. Browse through listings that match your criteria. Each listing provides detailed information such as photos, floor plans, rental rates, lease terms, and contact information for the property manager or landlord. Virtual tours. Many listings offer virtual tours or 3D walkthroughs, allowing you to explore the property from the comfort of your own home. Save favorites. Create an account to save your favorite listings. This makes it easy to compare properties and revisit them later. Contact property managers. Reach out to property managers directly through the platform to schedule viewings, ask questions about the property, or inquire about application requirements. Read reviews. Check reviews from current or previous tenants to gain insights into the management, maintenance, and overall living experience at the property. Stay updated. Set up alerts to receive notifications when new properties that meet your criteria become available.